Everyone, recording is already on progress. Allow Teacher Jermaine and TIS to record our session this afternoon. Today is a Thursday. Today is a Wednesday, right? Today is a Wednesday and it's also a grammar class for today. On my screen, we are 22. So I'm happy to see you back, all of you. Same with NTT girls. Hello, girls. Same. Yes, hello. How's Indonesia? How are you today? Cindy and Sandra. Okay, everybody feels good. Okay.
Recording in progress.
Okay, so we shall wait for your other classmates. Okay, one more minute before we officially start today. Okay, on my screen, we are already 24. Okay, that's good. Okay, Catherine is here. Catherine, oh yeah. Okay, okay, we also have Joy. Is Inda here? Not around. So we all have Catherine, Noel, Josephine, and Irene. Yeah, we also have Sundar and Hani. Okay. Is Daraka also here? We all, okay, on my screen I have Nayaka. Okay, the Wednesday class is intended for, if I'm, oh wow, Inda is already here. Hi, Inda. Just arrived from school, Inda.
Yes, teacher.
You're still in your uniform. Have you eaten snack?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Dr. Harry told me that the Wednesday class is supposedly for promoted kids. Okay. The promoted one. Okay. But everyone is still welcome to join this class. So we are not going to use chapter 1 today, but we will be using chapter 2 of the Blue Book. Okay. We will be using chapter 2 of the Blue Book. So in the previous, if you were with me with in the previous semesters, we have been discussing or we have finished discussing few parts of chapter 2, right? What's the focus of chapter 2? It's on confusing words and homonyms. Okay? If you can still recall when we talk about homonyms, these are words, okay, a pair of words or group of words that has the same sound, almost the same pronunciation, but just different in spelling and also different in meaning. So chapter 2 is all about pairs of homonyms. For example, when you say accept, it sounds like with accept. Okay, can you still recall this one? When you say add, the next one, you also have the word add. Okay, what's the difference between the two? It's the spelling, right? And also its meaning. So the first word, when you say ad, AD, it's an advertisement. You know, in televisions, in radios, before you're going to see the main show, there are ads on TVs advertising products. It can be an advertisement about shampoo, about a perfume, about your favorite ice cream, or any chocolate, or anything. So that is what advertisements are. When you say add, ADD, it is to perform addition. Okay? You take note of that. When you say, please add 5 and 5. When you say add, we're going to combine it. So 5 plus 5 or 5 added to 5 is equal to 10. Okay, so before we go back to those examples, to those words, let us have, let us have first this rule. A very easy rule, everyone. It is a versus an. Okay, everyone, this is a versus an. Tristan, I want you to read. Tristan, excuse me.
Okay. A versus N.
The rule, Tristan, continue.
Oh, okay. Rule. When use A when the first letter of the word following has the sound of a consonant. Keep in mind that some vowels sound like consonants when they are sound is where they are sounded out as individual letters.
Okay, read the examples.
Examples: a, a finger, a hotel, a U-turn, pronounce it U-turn, a HUD program, a NASA study.
Okay, thank you, Tristan. Deborah, can I also ask you to read, Deborah?
Okay, teacher.
Okay.
Use a when the first letter of the word following has the sound of a consonant. Keep in mind that some fo- forms vowels sound like when they re consonant when they re their sound out as individual letters. Examples: a fingers, a hotel, a U-turn, a hard program, a NASA study.
Okay. Very good. Thank you, Deborah.
You're welcome, teacher.
Okay, so Deborah and Tristan read to us the first rule, which is about a and an. Okay, so if I'm going to ask you, how many letters do we have in the English alphabet? If you can still recall, we have, kids, how many letters do we have?
26.
Yes, we have,
26.
okay, we have 26 letters of the English alphabet. Okay, now, Jennifer, can I ask you how many letters do we have?
What, teacher?
How many How many letters do we have? We have Tristan again. How many letters, Tristan?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, how many letters again? How many do we have?
26.
Okay, we have 26 letters. Okay, so that the alphabet has vowels and consonants. How many vowels do we have?
5.
Okay, I hope the other kids also remember our 5 vowels because that is important. Okay, if we have 5 vowels, so the rest are the different consonants. Okay, 21 consonants. Who can give me now the 5 vowels? Do not open your microphone, okay? Give me now the 5 vowels. Arga,
Yes, Miss. A, I, U, E, O.
good. How do you call those letters, Arga?
What, Miss?
How do you call those letters? Those are
Consonant.
consonants.
Eh, vowel.
Okay, come again, Arga. How do you call it? Those are
Vowel.
vowels. Very good. I would like to talk to Noelito. Noel,
Yes, teacher.
I want you to say again the 5 vowels.
A, E, O, I, U.
Very good. How do you call Noel? Those are
Those are vowels.
okay, those are vowels. Let me check the other kids are also listening. How about Greed and TT girls? Greed, Cindy and Sandra, Priska, Clara.
Teacher.
Okay. Yes, Priska. What are the 5 vowels? Okay, what are the 5 vowels, girls? We have because if you don't have an idea of vowels and consonants, this lesson, the use of a and an will be difficult in your part. Okay. Okay, Priska, please open your microphone. What are the 5 vowels we have?
E, Singati. I, O, U.
Okay, very good. Take note, everyone, that these 5 letters of the English alphabet are what we call vowels.
Alphabet.
Yes.
Alphabet. Vowel. Vowel.
This,
E, vowel.
okay, so these 5
Vowel.
are our vowels. Look at the spelling of vowels. Okay, write it in your notebook so that you won't forget about it. Okay, these are the 5 vowels. So if we have vowels, we also have consonants, right? If we have vowels, we have consonants. Can you give me 5 examples of consonants? Mark, hi Mark.
Yes.
Yes, give me and please let your classmates hear what are examples of consonants, Mark?
Example is like B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Very good. Okay, Mark gave all the consonants. Thank you so much, Mark.
Welcome.
Okay, so those are the different consonants. I would also like to hear Catherine to give the consonants. Everything, if you can name it, just like what Mark did.
Teacher. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, X, Y, Z.
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 How do you call letter Z in Bahasa language? It is Z,
Yes,
Catherine, in your
teacher.
language.
Yes,
Oh, in
yes.
English, yeah, in English that is letter Z. Oh, oh yeah. Yes, Mayaka, you are excused. Very good. Thank you so much, Catherine.
Welcome, teacher.
Okay. One last kid to give all the vowels. I mean all the consonants. I hope Erin is ready now.
Yes, miss.
Hey, would you also like to give our consonants now, Erin?
Yes. Okay. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, V,
W, W, X,
W, F, Y, and Z.
Z. Yeah, so good. Thank you, Erin.
You're welcome.
Okay, so why am I asking you about vowels and consonants? Because the knowledge of vowels and consonants will help you to determine the when are we going to use the the articles a and an. So before that, teacher will write the word consonant. Okay? So in the blue book, the first rule is to determine when to use a and when to use an. Is there anyone from you who can tell to the class when to use an? When are we
When are we
going to
going
use
to
an?
use
Me, teacher.
Okay, yes. And
and
then,
When we use N is when the words that sound
when the word
when the word starts with the sounds of vowels.
yes, exactly. You use the article "and" for words starting in vowels,
vowel,
right?
right?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so "an" is for vowel. How about the article "a"? When are we going to use this one? It's for,
Consonant.
okay, this is for consonants. Am I sharing my screen now?
Yes, teacher.
Thank you. So if you have a paper with you, you know what? Um, teacher hopes that all of you has a notebook is intended for DIS so that every time teacher is discussing, you can write it down in your notebook, okay? So that you have something to use you have something to read on when you are going to review. Okay? Kids, the article an and are articles. Okay, take note of that. And this is for vowels, and it is for consonants. Okay, if I have the word apple. Okay, if teacher has the word apple, the beginning for apple is letter A. Okay, apple starts with letter A. This is a vowel. So we say an apple. Next word, when we have the word egg. The word egg starts with letter E, right? Starts with letter E. It's a vowel also. So we say an egg. If I have the word ice, ice. It starts with what letter? What letter is this one? Letter?
I.
Letter I. Letter I is a vowel, so we say an ice. Take note of that. Another example, when we have the word oven. It starts with letter, what letter? It starts with letter.
O.
Okay, we have letter. You know what? Why is it every time teacher will ask, Inda is the only one responding to me, and also Catherine. You know what? All of you are free to open your microphone and say the letter, because I guess you can identify what these letters are. Honey, Letitia, Joy, Tristan, Claudie, and the rest of the girls and kids, open your microphone, okay? So oven starts with letter O. This is a vowel. So we say an oven.
An
Okay?
oven.
Very good. Okay, next word. If I say upo. Okay, upo is an example of a vegetable in the Philippines. Okay, aside from that, how about we just use... Okay, teacher will change that one. We say umbrella. Umbrella starts with what letter? Letter?
U.
Letter? Okay,
U.
this is letter U.
U.
So we say an...
Umbrella.
Okay, so it starts with letter U. It's a vowel, so we say an umbrella. Okay, we say an umbrella. I want Letitia now to read. Very good. Letitia, please read all the examples.
An apple, an egg, an ice, an oven, an umbrella.
Okay, what article was used from the given examples? The article. What article are we using? We use the article an. The question is, why are we using an? Why are we using an?
Because the
Yes,
is
Joy.
starting with vowel.
Let's do it one by one. Yes, Jocelyn.
Because the first sentence is starting with vowels.
The word. Come again. The word.
Yeah, the words, the first words is starting by vowels.
Oh, Joy, not the words. The first letter of the word starts with a vowel. Come again.
Okay, the first
The first
letter
letter.
from the word starts with a vowels.
Okay, so that's why we are going to use the article and. Let's move now to this. How about I have here book? Book. Sundara, what letter is this?
B.
Yes, this is letter B, and this is a consonant. So we say a book. Okay, why are we using a now? Why a? Because book. Okay, for a while. Because book here is, yes, starts with letter B and it is a consonant. Okay, next. Sundara, what letter is this one? The first word. Letter.
F.
Sundara. Come again. Say it aloud. Say it aloud. Okay, this is letter F. It's a consonant also. So we say a, a flower. Okay. Jennifer,
Yes, miss.
how do you read the next word?
Mango.
Very good. Starts with what letter?
M.
Letter M. It is a consonant. So we say,
A.
how do you read that one? Come again. A
Mango.
mango.
A mango.
Okay, next. Next, Jennifer, how do you read this?
Paper.
Paper. Starts with what letter?
P.
P. Vowel or consonant?
Yes.
Use
Vowel or
No.
consonant? It is
A.
consonant. Consonant. It's a consonant, Jennifer. So we say, how do you read Jennifer?
A paper.
Very good. One last, Jennifer. Next word, how do you read this?
Ring.
Good. What letter is this?
R. R.
Very good. Say it again. Letter R.
Letter R.
Good. It's a consonant, so we say
Ring.
very good. Thank you, Jennifer.
Welcome, teacher.
Okay, Orlando, I want you to read from book to flower. Orlando.
Book.
A book.
A book. A flower. A mango. A paper. A ring.
Good. Orlando, what is the reason why we are using a or a for the following words? It's because
Uh,
who would like to help Orlando? Why are we using the article a for these words? Okay, so Catherine is raising her hand. Yes, Catherine.
Because the first of the word is consonant.
Oh, okay. The first letters are all consonants, so that's why we use Good. I'll stop sharing for a while because I have prepared an activity for everyone. Okay, I hope you're following with us. Are you following me today? Mark, are you still okay?
yep.
Okay. Doing good? Oh, okay. Everyone, so we are going to write the correct article. Let us just use these two articles here. So let us use the article a or if we use an, okay, before each noun. Mark, I want you to read everything first. Mark, just read everything. Mark?
Sorry, Miss German, I was I was Miss Clay.
Okay, continue now. Read everything, Mark. Read everything.
Write the correct article a or an or the before each noun. Well, for
Read
igloo,
first. Yeah, you read
igloo,
everything first. Next.
igloo, banana, tree, inch, eagle, bench, hidden, kitten, soccer ball, owl, tiger.
Okay, can you answer the first one?
Yes, I'll try. It's N.
Okay, good. We
And
say. Okay, how about this? The next one.
a banana,
Okay, next, Mark.
a tree.
Very good. Okay, thank you, Mark.
You're welcome.
Okay, teacher will call another set of kids now. I hope you're ready, honey. Honey. One last, honey.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Answer the fourth one.
Um, an inch,
Inch. Come again.
an inch,
Yes. Next one.
um, an eagle,
Very good. We say an eagle. Okay, next, honey. Bench.
a bench,
Come again.
bench,
Okay, we say a bench. Thank you, honey. Kenshi. Kenshi. Kenshi.
Yes, miss.
Okay, next one. Next is kitten.
Okay.
Kenshi.
Okay. Yes, miss.
Yes. What's your answer for this?
Uh,
Scoreboard.
A.
Okay. A or a kitten. Very good. How about the next one, Kenshi?
Okay, miss.
How about the next one?
Um,
Kenshi, still you. Soccer ball.
N.
Come again?
A. N.
A-N. So we say an soccer ball.
Eh, no, no, no. A.
Okay, only the word,
A.
the word or the letter A. So we say a soccer ball. Okay, thank you, Kenshi. Is Greece around? Greece?
Yes, miss.
Greece, are you here? Hi, Greece. How about the next? Okay. Greece, we
Owl.
have owl. Owl.
Owl.
Greece?
Owl. Yes, miss.
Greece? Okay. Um, wait. Where is Greece? Yeah. Okay, yeah. Greece is here. What's our answer, Greece?
A.
Are we going to say owl? Starts
Owl.
with O. Come again.
Owl.
Come again.
Owl.
Are we going to use a for that? Owl. Take note that owl starts with a vowel.
Use teacher.
Greece, we are going to use.
An.
Okay, we use an owl. Greece. Next one, tiger. Greece. Tiger. Starts with letter T. What article for tiger?
An. An.
Tiger.
An. An, miss.
Greece,
An.
are you sure that we are going to use an for that? tiger starts with letter T. It's a consonant. Grace, I want you to pay attention. Teacher doesn't want you to say an answer that you want to say. I want you to give a correct answer.
I know, teacher.
Okay, miss. A tiger. A,
Come again.
a tiger.
Okay, you simply say, tiger. It's because tiger starts with letter T. And letter T is a consonant. That's very easy. Grace, I want you to read everything. Start from the beginning. An igloo.
An eagle. A banana. A tree. An inch. An eagle. A beach. A
Bench.
kitten.
Bench.
Bench. A bench. A kitten. A, a soccer ball. An owl. A tiger.
Okay, good. Thank you. Letitia, I would also like you to read everything, Letitia.
Yes, teacher. An igloo, a banana, a tree, an inch, an eagle, a bench, a kitten, a soccer ball, an owl, a tiger.
Very good. Thank you, Letitia.
You're welcome, teacher.
Am I still sharing my screen?
Yes, teacher.
Teacher.
Do you have another what do you call that one? And another activity to be answered? Do you see the flower, pig, rake, baseballs? Do you have that one? Not
Yes,
yet.
teacher.
Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, we already have. Yes, thank you, Catherine. So we have here another set of nouns. Okay, another set of nouns. Nesta.
Yes,
Nesta.
teacher.
Okay, very good.
Yes,
I want
teacher.
you to read everything. I want you to read everything first.
Okay,
Flower.
teacher. Number one, flower. Number two, pig. Number three, rake. Number four, baseballs. Number five, apple. Number six, logs. Number seven, oven. And the last, ID.
Idea. Yeah, Nesta, idea.
Idea. Sorry, teacher.
Okay.
Idea.
No, it's okay. Nesta, I want you girls, I want you to answer the first one. What article are we going to use? Flower.
Okay, teacher. For the number one, I think use the
The flower.
flowers. Flowers.
Okay, this one. This one,
Flower.
flower, Nesta.
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Okay, next one. Next, Nesta, for pig. How about for pig?
Uh, use use use
Okay, we
article
use, very good, Nesta.
uh.
Still, we use the article Okay, Nesta, can I talk to your seatmate, Rati?
Yes.
Is Rati around? Rati?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Okay. Rati, your turn now.
All right.
Yes. What are we going to use, Rati? We say,
All right.
yeah, we say a rake. Good. How about for baseballs? Now, baseballs. What are we going to use?
A baseball.
Okay, still, okay, baseballs. Okay, because
Yes,
baseball
teacher.
starts with letter B. It's a consonant. Okay. Only one.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Thank you, Nesta and Rati. Thank you, girls.
You're welcome, teacher.
Okay, girls and TIS kids, I want you to take note of this. Teacher just introduced the article a and an, right? But we also have the remaining article the. So when are we going to use the? For example, for this, baseballs. It's plural, right? That's plural because we have letter S here. Again, it's plural because we have letter S here. If it's only one, you simply say baseball. But if it's plural, the correct way of the correct article to use is the article the. So you say the base. Yeah, that's plural. So you
The
say,
baseballs.
yeah, very
Yes,
good.
Teacher,
plural.
The baseball because
teacher,
it is plural.
can I ask?
Hello.
Plural,
Yes.
teacher.
Um,
Rosalie, Nasta.
yes. Okay. Teacher, I wanna ask. Does the only works for consonant or also works for vowels too?
Also for vowels too.
Oh, okay. Thank you, teacher.
Yeah. For example, we have apples here, right? We have apples. The correct what do you call that one? The correct article for apple is an, right? We say an apple. But if we have many apples, so you say now the apples. Okay? Kids, do you get that one?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. You're going to use the correct article depending on the nouns given. For singular ones, you choose a or an. If it's plural, that's the time you use the article the. If, for example, logs, L-O-G, logs, you say, teacher, it starts with letter L. Yeah, you're right. It started with letter L. So you say it's a log. But if you have here letter S, it's plural already. So you say the logs. Do you know what logs are? L-O-G-S. Do you know what these are? These are woods, the trunk of the trees. You know, when trees are being uh, cut or trimmed down, when you're going to make houses, tables, chairs, those pieces of woods, long, long measurements, or what do you call that one? Those are logs. Okay? Me. Okay. Okay. I hope, teacher, I hope this is clear with you all now. Okay, can we move now to the last two words here? Can I call? Still from NTT. I still want to talk to NTT. Cindy or Sandra. Okay. If not, then Cindy, Sandra, hello. Okay. How about oven? Yes. What are we going to use for oven? Girls, we say
An oven. Teacher, an
very good.
oven.
Very good. An oven. How about the last one for idea? What are we going to use? Idea starts with letter I. We say,
An idea.
yes, good.
An
We
idea.
say, an idea. Thank you, girls. Noelito, can you please read everything, Noel?
Okay, teacher. A flower, a pig, a rake,
Come,
a
teacher.
baseball, the
Teacher,
baseballs,
can I
an
go
apple,
to the
the
toilet?
log, an oven, an idea.
Okay, we also have here the apples. Thank you,
Teacher,
Noel. Queenie.
Teacher,
Yes,
you're
Queenie.
welcome. Can I go to
Yes,
the toilet?
Queenie. Yes,
Can
Queenie.
I?
Read everything, Queenie.
A flower, a pig, a rake, a baseball, and the baseballs, an apple, the logs, an orphan, an idea, the apples.
Very good. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you, Queenie.
Welcome, teacher.
Okay. How about now if we use an article in a sentence? Okay. Aside from giving only the words, how about if we use an article now in a sentence? Ready, Catherine, for number one?
Ready, teacher.
Number one, Catherine.
He correct L or an X. The answer is an.
Good. Number two, Catherine, still you.
My mom poured lemonade from a or an pitcher. The answer is a.
Very good. We say a picture. Cool. Okay, good. Next, number three and four, Jocelyn. Roy.
Yes. Okay. Wait. The cat is stuck in a tree.
Okay, next.
An elephant has a long trunk.
Okay, you said an elephant. Okay, Anne. Why Anne, Joy?
Because elephant and the first letter is E and that's vowel. So
Very
we have to use an.
good. Okay, good reason out. That's good. Okay, five and six in the
Okay, teacher. The truck was driving down a or an dirt road. The answer is a dirt
good.
road.
Next.
There is a or an chair at the table. The answer is a.
Okay, we say thank you, Inda. Wow, teacher's amazed. All of you are doing good now. Okay, number seven and eight. Mark, it's for you, Mark.
Okay. Mary ate a or an egg for breakfast. All choose an. Wait.
Okay,
Wait. Yeah, an.
that's the answer, Mark.
Yep.
Yes, because egg starts with letter E for vowel. Number eight. Number eight.
Tom runs as fast as a or an cheetah. Looks like Tom and Jerry. The answer is A.
Okay, good. Thank you, Mark. Excuse me. Katrina is here. Katrina.
Yes, miss.
Okay, number nine and 10 is for you.
There is an inky spot on my pants.
Mm-hmm.
And
Okay, that's right. Number 10.
I love to read an book. A
Is that the answer, Katrina?
yes, miss.
Okay, and you are right. Okay, thank you, Katrina.
Welcome.
Okay, but this time, teacher would like to ask, I would like to ask Arga to read 1 to 5. Arga,
Okay, miss. He carried an axe. My mom poured lemonade from a pitcher. The cat is
stuck in a tree. An elephant has a long trunk. The truck was driving down a dirt road.
Very good. Okay, thank you. Number 6 to 10 is for Noelito. Noel.
Yes, teacher. There is a chair at the table. Mary ate an egg for breakfast. Tom runs as fast as a cheetah. There is a there is an inky spot on my pants. I love to read a book.
Very good. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Noel. Okay, don't you worry. Teacher has another set of sentences. Okay, number 1 and 2. Nayaka, please. Nayaka. Where's the raka, Nayaka? Oh no. Nayaka, teacher cannot hear you. Move close. Move close to the microphone. I cannot hear you. Oh,
Hello?
no. Yes, but your voice is too soft. Teacher cannot hear it. Okay. What happened to that one? Instead of Nayaka, can we go to Jennifer first? Jennifer.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, number 1, Jennifer.
Okay, teacher. Number 1. John went to read A or N comic books. The answer is A.
Okay, a comic book. Next.
Number 2, the class went on A or N field trip. The answer is A.
Okay, a field trip. Thank you, Jennifer.
Welcome, teacher.
Tristan, number 3 and 4.
Okay, teacher. He likes to read and the short stories. The answer is D.
Short stories.
The
Okay, because this is plural. Good. Number 4, Tristan.
core. Lisa put an orange on her yogurt.
Where's-
And the
Okay,
answer
we
is
have
N.
here. Okay, good. Thank you, Tristan.
You're welcome.
Okay, for number 5, you have it here. Mom likes making an or the cake from scratches. I mean, from scratch. Should we use an? Although cake is cake starts with letter C. It's what do you call that one? It's a consonant. So although it is not plural in here, what are we going to use? An or the? Okay, we use the for this sentence. I will erase that one. So my mom likes making the cake from scratch. Okay, number 6. Erin.
Teacher, can I ask?
Erin. Hello.
Yes, miss.
Yes. Hello. Can you
Hello,
still
miss.
hear me? Oh yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Yes.
Yes, number 6, Erin.
Okay, miss. The dog called or an.
6.
The answer is A.
Okay. Next, Erin, still you for 7.
I saw a or an otter at the zoo.
Okay. An otter is an animal. What should we use?
An.
Okay, Anne. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Irene. Number 8 now. Can I go back to entity, girls? Girls, entity. Anyone who would like to answer? Clara? Clara Hagang. Hello? Hello? Nesta, Rafi,
Me.
Cindy, Sandra, hello?
Yes, teacher. Yes,
Okay.
teacher.
Nesta. Okay, Nesta. Number 8, Nesta. Nesta, number 8.
Yes, teacher. Okay, teacher.
9 berapa?
I quickly ate the cookies.
Very good. The cookies. Number 9, Nesta.
Yes, teacher. Okay, teacher. An oval is shaped like an an egg.
Very good. Read that again, Nesta. Read it again.
Yes, teacher. An oval is shaped like an egg.
Very good. Thank you,
An
Nesta.
oval. Yes,
Okay.
teacher. You're welcome.
So before we end, let's read again sentences 1 to 5. Can I call? Can I call Honey now? Honey, honey.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, 1 to 5 now, please.
Okay. John wanted to read a comic book. The class
Honey,
went on
wanted,
a field
wanted,
trip. Wanted.
wanted.
Wanted. He likes to read the short stories. Lisa put an orange on her yogurt. My mom likes making the cake from scratch.
Okay, 6 to 9. 6 to 9, Queenie. Please read now, Queenie.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Queenie.
The dog, the dog caught a, a stick. I saw another at the zoo. I quickly ate the cookies. An oval is shaped like an egg.
Very good. Thank you, Queenie.
You're welcome.
Okay, so I hope with those activities now, you somehow learn about the articles a, and also
Thank you,
the.
teacher.
Okay? So everyone, it's past 7 already. It's past 7 already. Thank you for being with me. I'll see you next week again on Monday. Okay? There will be no class tomorrow. I will be seeing you again on Monday. Thank you,
Yes,
everyone. Thank you for being
teacher.
with me.
Yes, teacher. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, teacher.
Thank you, teacher. Thank you, thank you,
Bye.
miss.
Thank
Bye,
you.
teacher. And thank you,
Bye
miss.
bye.
Bye.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, thank you. Bye bye.
Bye-bye, teacher.
Bye, Nesta. Bye, Grid. Friska, bye bye, Tiara.
Bye,
Thanks,
teacher. Have
class.
a nice dream.
Thank you, girls.
You're welcome.